called blank paper to write some messages for my dad. And the blue sheet. I am using blue sheet because it is my favorite color. You can use color which you want. Okay. And such scissors to cut whenever it is. And I have this color box to decorate the card. Okay, let's start and write just right now. Oh, friends, I cutted my sheet. Which shape is this, friend? Do you know which shape is this? This is heart shape. Okay. This is the cutted one sheet, and I am going to write the message.
Format.
Okay, I'm going to write this message. Okay, friends. Okay, I write the message with pencil because I'm a kid. Now I'm going to trace a red marker. Okay. Y day O F of U in the messages. And now, do you want to read the message with me? Friends, now let's decorate the card of his colorful pencil, sketch pens. Okay. And I chosen my red color. What is this color, friends? Do you remember what is this color? This is color red. We have to put this back so we can't lose it. Okay. Let's start with the wood. Okay. We have to be very slowly. Keep okay, friends, see, I'm just trying to do it slowly so I can't go like here, there. Okay, this is very important. Am I right?
Yes.
Friends, I did it. Now does it look good or bad? Okay. The next thing is that we need to close it because when it will be dry, it can't work. And for the next time, what should I do? First, let me write Dad. Which color should I use, Mama? I should just use black, Mama. Please, it will.
Okay.
Another color. I could check orange.
Yes.
Okay. Mama, which side is
A.
D. Dad. Okay. I completed that. Now I think, but by mistake I writing that. So sorry, friends. Sorry, but you have to do more better than me, friends. Please. Okay. Now I think I should make a smiley. Okay. One is my dad's smiley. Okay. I will use smiley. I'm going to use this color because it's red for me. I'm having a small face, so this might be S double A I Q Saaiq E A D. my turn. Okay, it is done. Is it looking beautiful? Okay. You could also make any card for your family or you could just pack it in a gift and put it in the parents and you can also make them smile by making a card like this.
Okay, friends.
Oh, still that this looks beautiful now. Okay. Now we have to say bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye bye. Keep smiling.
Happy birthday to